Tucson River Naval Air Station, partly sunny skies. It was 87. Variable wind at 6 miles an hour. At Washington, partly sunny, 86 degrees. South wind at 12. At Salisbury, mostly sunny skies. It was 89. Wind west at 12 miles an hour. At Dover, partly sunny, 86 degrees. Wind southwest at 10, gusting to 18. At Wilmington, mostly sunny skies. It was 84. Wind south at 7 miles an hour. At Ocean City, mostly sunny skies. It was 83 degrees. Southwest wind at 8. At New York, partly sunny skies. 81. Wind south at 12 miles an hour. At Philadelphia, mostly sunny skies. 84. Wind west at 9 miles an hour. At Raleigh, mostly sunny skies. 89.
National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 387, effective until 9 o'clock p.m. This watch includes the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland: Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Calvert, Carroll, Hartford, Howard Kent, Montgomery, Prince George's, Queen Anne's and Humboldt, and the Maryland Independent City of Baltimore, and the following: Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, and Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.